Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This is the SWC ARK GMT. I believe it's $300. I could be mistaken. I'll look it up and put the website in the description below. But yeah, quartz GMT, titanium watch, field watch. So very nice and lightweight package here. I think I might have poked my finger, but good thing this is a dull knife. Well, so much for trying to save the bag. There we go. Alright, more tape on tape. Nice secure packaging here. Looks like a little canvas or a leather pouch here. Leather pouch. Oh, this feels nice. I don't know if it's real leather, but I think it is. I'm not an expert on that though. Yeah, I like this. Nice, simple little leather pouch. Great for if you wanted to travel with the watch or any other watch. Let's see. A little note from them, and then a warranty card, looks like. Okay, let's zoom in here. Smells nice. Smells like leather. So that would be slide a watch in there. Oh, that's cool. Nice green leather strap here. Oh, it looks to be a hybrid strap then, like a Hirsch Robbie, but the Hirsch Robbie is a it's a leather strap that looks like a sailcloth strap, but this looks to be suede leather with this rubber backing, so that would be very nice on wrist. Quick release pins here. So let's get the sticker off of this. Okay, so just reading the case back here. Swiss made stainless steel 10 ATM, so that's 100 meter water resistant, and then a sapphire crystal. Swiss watch company ARK GMT. Swiss made. I think I already read that. So this works a little bit differently from some other GMTs. Okay, maybe there's not. I thought there was plastic on here. I think it's a sapphire crystal. That dial looks to be dished in, so that's a very cool looking dial. Let me zoom in. There we go. Hopefully I can capture that on camera here. You can see how the Untitled Chapter ring is dished in. So that's a nice look. I had an ARK in a long time ago, and that thing had like some crazy lume on it. I'll try and show you the lume real quick here. Let's turn off the studio lights. Still have some other lights on, but I think the lume will shine through. Yeah, I'm sure this will have good lume. You'll have to wait for the full video then. Oh, sorry, I wanted to show you how the GMT worked. Let me zoom back in. Got ahead of myself there. Let's pull the crown out, move the hands. So I wonder if that is... No, it has to be adjustable. Probably went too far. It's not a screw down crown. You can turn this, but it's not doing anything. This is a GMT without a date, which I don't think I've seen that before. Okay, there we go. So let's see here. Let's put it to 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock would be 22, right? Yeah, 2200. I like those syringe style hands too. It's right there, 2200. Now if I put it to 12, it should show 2400. Yeah, so cool. A little bit different of a GMT setup. Typically there's a fourth hand on the dial, but this works too. So let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video here. Interesting color combination here with this. It looks like it's green to me, and then a beige dial or a grayish dial. I'll have to ask my wife what color these are. She's much better at telling colors than I am. So let's zoom back out. Actually, I might refer to their website too. That's probably the best way. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist. Maybe that's teal. Heck if I know. Let me know what color you guys think this is, this strap. A little bit tight, but it'll work. Alright, there we go. I think my fingers are tingling. Probably having it a little bit too tight. Yeah, I think it's a cool looking watch. There we go. Let's push the crown back in. Nice brushed and polished case as well. Speaking of that, so yes, this is stainless steel. I was thinking it was titanium. I remember saying that now at the beginning of the video. So stainless steel, sapphire crystal. I think it's a cool looking watch. Let me know what you guys think of the watch, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. That will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.